Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 66 Chevy Nova. It's an SS Tribute, so it's a 116 car, but literally the nicest one I've ever seen. Beautiful door gaps, consistent lines all the way around, gorgeous chrome and stainless. It's got some bumper guards on it and stuff that you don't really see these days. Sitting on 17-inch custom Vintique wheels. Great stance. It's got double coilovers, so it's fully adjustable. Right now, I think it's sitting perfectly. Finished in Granada gold. Really sets it off with the matching wheels. This car had a complete rotisserie restoration. I think about 5 years ago. A little over 3,000 miles since then. Some really nice custom touches on this car. Bumper guards on the back too. I don't even think you could find those anymore. It is beautiful. Gorgeous straight body. Beautiful interior, bucket seats, tilt wheel, odometer gauges, custom stereo with Bluetooth, does have air conditioning. These are Pro Car buckets. We also have the original style buckets that are available as well for sale. You can ask me about those. This paint, just killer. All new felts in the doors. All this chrome is polished to perfection. We also have a piece that goes here too. Very, very high, hard to find chrome piece. If you want to put a vinyl roof on it, that's available for purchase too. Jetson 6x9s in the back. Sitting on 17-inch Vintique wheels, dog dishes, beauty ring, and center cap, or dog dish. How straight this body is, just perfect. This piece back here is very expensive. It's gorgeous. The bezels and everything are just beautiful. It's got a 355 under the hood. Aluminum heads, comp hydraulic cam, poly Terminator fuel injection, ceramic headers, aluminum radiator. The front bumper is just gleaming in the sun. $700 R4 transmission. Sills are brand new. It's got custom brackets. If you're a tall guy, you'll fit in here. Everything is brand new. Door panels, cranks, windows, vent windows. Billet, leather wrap billet steering wheel. Looks like I did it tilt wheel. These are odometer gauges. Everything works. Dual 12-volt adapter. carpet. Back seat, brand new. Seatbelts all the way around. A real nice sound to it. Just as nice underneath too. Got a 4-link under here. 355 10-volt. Front disc. Brand new gas tank. Frame connectors. Brand new wiring. I think it's American wire. Everything is just gorgeous. Even the hooks. Look at that. So pretty. Super high attention to detail on this car. My arm on it. Leans. Everything is brand new on this car. 3,400 miles. There she is. 355 aluminum heads, power steering, power brakes, rack and pinion steering, Shortie headers leading out to Flowmasters, electronic ignition, Edelbrock high-rise manifold, monster aluminum radiator with dual fans on it, keeps everything nice and cool. Car is new. Air conditioning. All braided lines. Wiper motor. Custom inner fenders. They're painted to match the car. Smoothed out, really adds a nice finishing touch to it. Padding under the hood. It's a nice car. A nice sound to it too. Trunk was battery was relocated to the trunk as well. Trunk's completely finished. Custom carpeting. Battery tender. Wires. Correct speckle. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. So nice. Collector owned. He's got a bunch of cars. Just beautiful. Look at the lines and the fitment on this thing. It's just gorgeous. You know, they weren't like that new as new. Everything shuts really nice too. Look at the felts. So nice. It shuts. New car. We do have some new stuff that can be additionally purchased with the car. Like I said, the seats. All new vinyl, just have to be put together and installed. Probably get those for around $4 grand. We also have the wheel trim. Very expensive, hard to find original wheel trim that comes back here, off the back wheel and to the back. And rocker trim that goes down here. 1,500 bucks for those. And trim molding I told you about. 1,500 bucks for those. But give me a call. Check out the website, weebyautos.com. That can be reached at 631-339-0399. And hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.